All right, we're back with a little bit more ChatGPT unit testing goodness. Got the dog here wanting to be on camera again. Say hello. Um, yeah, let's get started. Show you what's going on. I recently used ChatGPT here to just generate me a couple tests based on the persona that we created in a previous video. So this Alex persona who is really big into extreme programming. And so now we've created kind of a couple unit tests showing that default value and the next value should be used. And obviously our player stats class does not have that functionality yet. Default, comes back default anyway, which is the 0. That's the initial functionality, but we don't get 500 gold back. Oh, you can't quite see that error. Let's get it above me. You don't get 500 gold back when it loads the class for the first time. And then we might want to add the delete key here at the very end just to clean up after ourselves. But yeah, we're setting it to 500 and then doing that. So let's see. So I do want to extend this class to have a constructor. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Extend the following class to make that last unit test pass. And then use a static function on the game data class to access the player gold. Get player gold. There you go. And it was a static method, so that was kind of exactly the code we wanted. And of course that doesn't exist. What was it, player? Yeah, we just have set player gold, so we got to go ahead and generate this. Generate method, control F12, and we'll change this to get int. Let's set it to 0, and yeah. Why doesn't it like it? Oh, return. I bet ChatGPT would have figured that out for me. So we're gonna hit this little section here. Run the tests. Oh, we broke something. Let's see here. On invoke game data delete all grasslands instantiate prefab. See the script serialization page in the Unity manual. Get int is not allowed to be called from a scriptable objects constructor. Oh, okay, fascinating. It just like breaks only this. Anyway, let's see, player stats. Let's see. So, okay. So really we want rather than a constructor, and we turn the gold And we turn the gold variable into a property and set it the first time it is accessed. Yes, you can return the gold variable to a property, and here's an example of how you would modify the player stats class. Yeah, really messy. But that works. So I like this, but can you use lambdas and auto properties to clean this code up? Yeah. So I think this all would do the exact same thing. That was a pretty cool refactoring. So let's go back in here, run our tests, run all. Oh, compilation failed. There's no set gold player stats. Okay, so we have set exp gold private set. Game data get gold. Oh yeah, so it's just an auto property, and the first time we go get it, we get it from there. But we don't actually need to set it add exp versus set exp. We lost the set gold function. I'm inclined to just use that auto property instead. I don't think we actually need these because we have the private set. So let's go and clean these up. Just equals 0. Oh, stats.exp. Stats.gold. The accessor is an inaccessible private set. Doesn't need to be private either. Oops. No. All right. So this should do all the same stuff, but it grabs everything from the auto property. Ah, yes. Okay. So this would be .exp equals 25. Gold equals 4. No matter what it was. Okay. So now we run all the tests. GetInt is not allowed to be called from a scriptable object constructor instance. It's not. Oh, because the code maybe is, whoops. Oh, because it's still in the constructor. Okay. It needs to be set on first time access. It can't be set on the other thing. So this was right the first time. Bam. And we don't need it set here. We're not going to save the gold. Not gold set. Yeah, and then we're going to just skip past this value here. Yeah. All right. Can't use that in the constructors, which makes sense. You don't, the Unity stuff's not really set up until then, but unit test saved us. So as always, I'll end the video with playing through the game a little bit. Since we last looked at this UI, I did update this a little bit. We'll make this stuff look a little bit better later, but at least the menu items all look pretty uniform. And so we'll go to maybe, oh, these levels are locked. We'll go to Stone Road. Wait. Oh, it is raining on the Stone Road. And just running around. Oh, yeah. And here are the baddies. Things are looking pretty good. Frame rate's real smooth. It's kind of nice. I did increase the drop rate of gold, so we should be able to see that. Oh, yeah. See some of those we've been getting. Might want to put some gold stuff in here. Oh, there's one. I'm gonna grab that guy. I don't know if I should zoom out or not. Let me know if you have any recommendations in the comments about anything that we should do differently about the game. Anyway, see you all next time. Hope you enjoyed watching this and interacting with ChatGPT. Yeah, a lot of back and forth. Definitely feeling like I don't really have the clean slate or the blank slate problem as much, because you know, I was able to kind of go back and forth. It was more of a conversation with ChatGPT rather than deciding what I'm gonna do next each time. So I don't know. I'm still developing the skill of interacting with the language model during all this. So, all right, see y'all next time.